Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. I literally just got this in the mail. I literally have to go to work in a half hour. I was supposed to get this box on the 10th, but they shipped it from New Jersey to Maine, to Pennsylvania, back to New Jersey. So without further ado, let's just get into the box. Okay, so the theme for this month's box is life at the party, and just let it be known that Laura Lee did curate this box. Pretty sure she just came out as a racist yesterday, so the first item in this box is this. These are lashes from House of Lashes in the style Smoky Muse. These retail for anywhere from $9 to $12. I don't wear lashes, so I will not be using these. There was like a whole bunch of different things you could get. You could have either gotten a Becca primer or a Tarte lifted mascara or like different lashes. I think like 30 different variations of lashes, which is just a little bit too much variation for me. Alright, next product in the box is this. This is from Adesi. We actually got a liquid lipstick from them a few months ago. This is a nail treatment, a cuticle oil. Never used a cuticle oil before, but I've been trying to grow out my nails. So this retails for $18, and it says treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates nails. Thank you. I'm actually pretty excited for this one. Next thing in the box is this. This is a palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles, Laura Lee's company, the one who curated this box. And this is the Party Animal palette. It looks like this. I've heard so many mixed reviews on this palette. I guess we'll see what it's like. This retails for $19. It says, dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. I'm just gonna, we have 2, it looks like shimmers here. This one's a lot of glitters in it, and this one is just shimmery. So this is glittery, this is shimmery, and then the rest are matte. I'm just gonna swatch this cobalt one. They swatch really nicely. And this is a party. This reminds me of, they swatch a little chalky. And like when I go over it to make it more pigmented, it picks up the swatch for both of these. I guess we'll see how that works out. The colors are really cool. It's nice that we got a colorful palette in this month's box because we usually get so many neutral palettes. I don't like Laura Lee Los Angeles. I will never buy anything from her, so this is the only thing I'll ever have. So let's see how this works. Okay, the next product in the box is this. I'm excited about this. These are from Wander Beauty. These are Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. We just got something from Wander Beauty last month. I think it was a mascara, and I loved that mascara. So I'm so excited. I have eye bag troubles, and hopefully these will help solve them. So we got not only 1, but we got 3, and it says here that they retail for $13. I don't know if it's 13 for 1 packet or 13 for 3. I'm assuming it's 13 for 3, but it could be 13 for 1. I don't know that one. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye mask brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extract and lavender oil cool and soothe the under eye area. These sound really cool. I'm ready for that. Also, underneath each one of the descriptions, they have like a hashtag to use. So it's like Wander Party, Adesi Party. I'm excited for those. Okay, next in the box is this. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Headliner. Okay. You could have gotten any of 30 different lipsticks in I think 5 different finishes. This is the first time I've ever had one of their bullet lipsticks, and it came broken because it's leaning to one side, and this color is so bright. It's really creamy. I never wear these colors, and it's literally broken. Like, I have to tip it back into place. So that's something. This retails for $21 to $24, I guess, depending on which finish you got. And it says, create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. This pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. I will say, it's very pigmented and it's very creamy, but I will literally never use this lipstick. It's like candy apple red, but like brighter. It's like neon red, but brighter. There's too much variation in this box, because when I say I like variation, I mean I like the option of like 3 different things. Like back in April we had the variation of you either get one of these 3 color lipsticks from MAC or one of these 3 shades from Tarte, a highlighter. Not 30 shades and 30 variations, and like, in what world would this go with these eye looks? Like, this doesn't match together. I don't know. This is not my favorite box. And the last product is from Bang Beauty, and it is a, oh, mine was opened. You know, like when the jar is secure? Yeah, my jar was half off, so is this dried out? Oh, actually no, it's not. Really waxy, kind of weird. Okay, this is from Bang Beauty. This is the chocolate gel eyeliner, and this retails for $22. It says to use this as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Creamy is not the word I would describe. I swatched it on my hand here, and I would describe it more waxy. If a pomade can be waxy, it's very waxy. I don't usually use brow pomades. I don't typically use eyeliners, but I will try this out maybe as an eyeshadow base, perhaps. Yeah, so that's everything we got in the box this month. I'm going to say right now, this is not my favorite box. Actually, this is one of the worst boxes I think we've ever had. The last one that I was really disappointed in was the one where they had their own palette with pure cosmetics. This one's worse. It's just, none of this seems curated. Like last month we had the travel theme, so we had the eyebrow pomade that was like twistable, so it was like to go. We had a blush that matched with the eyeshadow palette to go, that matched with the eyeliner and the mascara. It made so much sense, and like these were all things that you could grab and go and take with you on a road trip. I don't understand this one. I wasn't really excited when they were spoiling stuff this time. Laura Lee curated this herself, and I guess that's all I can say about that. She's not my favorite YouTuber. She's not my favorite person, and this is messy. Essentially, I'm really actually pretty disappointed in this box. Let me just total everything up for the sake of the video. Okay, so the total for this month's box was $94.50. For the, like, this ranges from this to this. I just took the middle of the range, the median price, and just used that. So this is this month's box price. This is lower than it usually is. We usually get over $100 of products in the box, and this month was $94, which I'm not complaining about the price of it. I think Boxycharm is always worth it because it is $21 a month and you get over $21 worth of value. And the things that I'm excited for, luckily, together make $21. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.